Hello and welcome back to the final episode of NOTaVXR. I know we were so close. It could have been a nice round 20, but it isn't, and I'm actually kind of upset. I mean, it's my first car. I've had it for 7 years. It's a very long time I've had this car. I've loved it, but it's time to swap it out for something a bit faster and with a bit more potential. So it is very exciting, but also quite scary, because I guess I know what I know about my car and it's a whole new experience, because we're going in a completely different direction to Vauxhall. We're not going for another Vauxhall. So yeah, this is a sort of goodbye, and then we're going to introduce the new car, and then we'll have a nice intro video for the new car leading on to the new series. So I hope you enjoyed the episode, guys. It's a very small one, but you know, I want it to polish off the VXR series quite nicely. So hope you enjoy.
So I actually ended up selling it to a older couple, and he basically said that he's just gonna run it around and use it as a daily driver. So I just said I'm gonna keep the 4D plates and I'll put the originals back on, which he was happy with. So I ended up selling it to them for £4,000, which, bearing in mind I've owned the car for quite a while, is a pretty great price compared to what I paid for it.
I guess this is goodbye, huh? I'm sorry that I'm so dysfunctional. So go ahead, and I do understand. I do. Bye-bye.
Yes, very sad. Anyway.
I also like the fact that it like flashes. And this works from so far away. The Corsa one never did. I own this. Beep beep. Get in.
What mile range of 20 miles? And with that, we say goodbye to the NOTaVXR series and hello to Not an R. See you in the next series.